In order to solve the linear system of equations algebraically using algebra, we use the method of substitution. Since we have y equals to a number, therefore we can take the value of y and substitute it in the first equation. So minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. If I take the 1 to the other side, I would have minus 1 minus 1 equals to 2x. Therefore x is equal minus 2 over 2, which is equal to minus 1. Now I take the minus 1 and replace it. I don't really need to take the minus 1 and replace it in the first equation to get y, because the value of y is already given to us. So since y is minus 1 and x we found it as minus 1, so the point of intersection or the solution for this system is minus 1, 1. So it's a point of x minus 1 and y minus 1. So this is the algebra, or using algebra to solve the system of linear equations. Now in order to use geometry or graphically, we know that y equals 2x plus 1 is a line whose gradient is 2 and whose y-intercept is plus 1. In order for us to draw it, we need to use the table of intercepts, and when x is 0, y is 1, and when y is 0, you solve for y. When y is 0, you solve for x and you get minus 1 over 2. So you draw the first point. So this is 1. This is the first intercept when x is 0, y is 1, which is this one. And this is the second intercept, which is the x-intercept when y is when y is 0, x is minus half. When you connect them together, you join them, you get the line y equals 2x plus 1. Now in order to draw y equals minus 1, we just take the y-intercept at minus 1 and we draw the line. So this is the line y equals minus 1 and it is parallel to the x-axis. Now where do the two lines meet? It's minus 1 minus 1, which is this point. So in conclusion, we have used graphical or used to solve these two linear equations graphically by drawing the two lines and looking at their point of intersection, and we have solved them using algebra by finding the value of x, and we already have the value of y, and they both give you the same answer.